so amateur. 오랜만이라서 그런가? 아, 왜 이렇게 못하지 얘가? 좀 알 줄 알았는데.
7살.
아이고.
Does it look tilted to you? I don't know. I'm the center of the show.
Yeah, put your leg like this. So...
The water looks bigger than you.
Cause you're up front. But...
Hi everyone.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. Okay. Merry Chrysler.
So it's been a while. That's why we're very awkward right now. For Christmas, we thought we wanted to say Merry Christmas to all of you guys and film mukbang.
And happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Happy New Year's. He got his tooth pulled out. And he just got his boost, so he can't go camping. Yeah, it's been a while. How do you feel?
It has been a while, Kimmy. Thank you for having me here.
Of course. Well, let's get our drinks going first.
How long has it been since you filmed the mukbang?
It's been a while. 들어봐. 컵을 들으라고. 컵을 들라고.
Oh my. Still as usual. Good to see that.
You get free food. You don't get to say anything.
Well, feelings mutual. Cheers.
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 Merry Christmas.
Ah,
Non-alcoholic or sparkling water because he can't drink anyways.
it's a sparkling water, but you don't have to say non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic sparkling water. Vodka in here. Today we have some fried chicken. I've been craving fried chicken, and these are cheese balls.
In Japan, it's huge getting KFC on.
Christmas. I think you see that every time we film any Christmas mukbang. If you go back 5 years, he's gonna say the same thing. 6 years now? I don't know.
Well, make it 7 then. Make it 10. I don't care.
Vodka in here. And for noodles, we're gonna make some
Oodles.
carbonara fire noodles. When we're not filming anything, we try to really
Eat healthy. Eat very moderately. So we don't eat any kind of noodles.
or try not to. So today's technically a little bit of
Cheat day.
cheat day. No, you don't put that in right now. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, pickle radish.
Are we gonna eat
You have to
something?
pay for pickle radish.
Yeah, I know, but
It's like
it's
paying
okay.
kimchi at a Korean restaurant. Okay.
What's
yeah.
this?
I just said cheese balls.
Whoa, can I try one?
Yeah, try one. Oh, it's a lot more crispy than last time.
Oh, you had this before?
Mm.
Just like a sweet duck.
Tastes like sweet mochi.
Interesting.
맛있어. 그럼 내가 좋아하는 스타일이야.
Really?
You know, I like
Chicken fried?
salty sweet pastry.
So tell us, what you been up to?
My show. What are you
Oh,
doing?
I'm glad that you could join us again.
I've been doing you. Sure.
Did you get any sauce for it? Just fried?
Yeah.
Dope. Do you think you do at least one fried chicken a week?
I wish, but I try not to. There are just times where I'm like really craving fried chicken. Once I lose it, I don't need it for a while. As you guys already know, Tong and I have been camping. I just like to switch things around, you know.
You do.
And I feel like everything tastes better
When you're
at
suffering?
camping.
Oh, yes.
I just want to share that with you guys. I guess some people might wonder, like, oh, what about like regular mukbangs like this? I want to keep doing this too. I'm just really greedy. I want to do everything. It might not be like consistent upload of mukbang. I just want to switch up everything. You know, like I want to do camp mukbang. I want to do like mukbang vlog. You know, regular cookbang, ASMR.
Oh, that good.
I might even do like healthy mukbang vlog where like what I eat during the week.
True that.
맛있어.
Good.
What about you?
Everything. I'll do everything, just not you.
No, what have you been up to?
I'm just working. Oh, dude, that will be good with this too.
Since I'm sure he doesn't want to get up either. We're gonna just put everything and let it just simmer together. You're supposed to drain the water, but
What water?
yeah.
It's snowing. You think we're gonna have a white Christmas?
Hell no.
Hell no.
We
it's
haven't
warm
had a
as
white
hell.
Christmas since oh my god, remember when I kind of like our second year together, I kind of told you like, oh, I really want white Christmas.
And I said what?
And you said you're gonna tell Santa.
I'll talk to Santa for you.
And then it snowed like a mother.
And then you're like, okay, that's enough. Make it stop.
I mean, after that, we haven't really had a white Christmas, right?
Girl.
아, 진짜 얼마나 맛있다.
I forgot how spicy. It's been a minute since we had this, right?
The noodles?
Do you have any realistic goal for next year?
6-pack.
With you, girl?
Is it realistic?
Yeah. I
Really?
can see it. Not 6 or you think 6 pack? 4 pack at least?
응.
For me too.
잠깐,
At least.
2팩, 2팩. 아, 맵다. Realistically, I want 4-pack. I don't think I'll be able to get 6-pack ever, but my mom just say because I'm like my dad, it's easier for me. I don't know. I don't think it's true, but she said
It's in your gene.
it's in my gene to get muscles quicker. My dad's pretty fit. I've been watching a lot of like really old mukbangs.
Like OG stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like not mine, but sometimes mine. And those people that kind of like
Nostalgic stuff.
when they were filming mukbang when I was filming mukbang, but in South Korea, I watched a lot of those. A lot of them stopped. Their videos still up, so I watch those.
Mm-mm.
I miss it. And then I go look back at my videos. And but I think OG mukbangs are the best.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know, it's very nostalgic, like you said.
Hmm. What are the things you think changed since OG mukbang?
I feel like a lot of videos are more like, I mean, there are still people who kind of keeps the same like format. I feel a lot of them are not as talkative anymore. I feel like people prefer that.
Really? Would you say you were the type that ate a lot?
No, I don't think so. I don't think I ever was.
No.
Ever since I kind of stopped slowing down on like filming mukbang,
Mm-hmm.
my greed over food kind of went away.
Well, ever since you quit filming mukbang, you never cook at home.
I don't. You can't go. Leave me.
Baby, I already left.
Baka in here. We changed a lot too.
Do you like the new you?
No, like our dynamic.
Our dynamic. We're dynamic duo now. You know how in order for the two dogs that doesn't get along, for them to get along, what do they put them?
They have to be in like a very like secluded abandoned. You have to abandon them together.
Uh-huh. In a dangerous place.
Yeah.
Is that what's happening?
They rely on each other.
That's what it feels like when I go camping in the middle of winter.
I'm probably just really transparent and very honest.
Like videos because we're like sitting.
A lot of people think that I kind of stopped filming because like I was like sitting on like money. We were sitting on negative money.
I have to get a job.
I was actually working in an office. That's why like I couldn't really balance the YouTube and the work life. I worked in an office for about 2 years.
You're doing really good too, actually.
Yeah, they love me. I just couldn't do one thing for that long. And I felt like my creative side, if anything.
What's going away?
Yeah. Because like after like 8 hours of working, sometimes I would do overtime because I want to do good at my job. I just get so burnt out. I'm like, I can't do anything. It was really hard for me to do anything else besides work. I guess I'm full-time YouTuber again. which I'm very grateful for because I think I had something to fall back on to when I quit my office job. But I want to do more than mukbang.
But let's not go too hard so that you don't get burnt out.
Yeah, I know. That's my problem.
So I got my booster shot, but I don't feel like I'm that sick.
I think because your tooth was hurting a lot more.
Yeah.
So imagine going camping with you like this. I already do 80% of the work. So if I go with you like this,
And from all the camping that we've done so far, which one do you like the best?
as long as you're there.
Aha!
Ah!
We got a jokester in the house, guys.
I think every time we go further, it just becomes better.
No, our first couple one was pretty dope. The Devils?
Devil's Lake?
Yeah, that place was dope. if
I think the
about it.
most recent one was my favorite because nobody was there. The sunset was freaking beautiful.
Not even a ranger, nobody's there.
Nobody was there. Maybe a squirrel. The hawk thing.
A vulture.
Voucher?
Yo, that thing could carry Ame for sure.
No. If it decides to eat ramen, you think it could pick up ramen? No, it might because it was big when we saw it in the sky.
Mr. Meme will be like, get me down!
So ramen is great.
That was good. Ame's loving it.
So I think around this time of the year, he always gets the skin thing. This year, I think we were able to kind of pass it without like a bigger...
Big issue. Yeah.
Last year was pretty big.
It was bad.
Yeah. But
Hospital.
this year, I think because we were aware, I knew exactly what to do. So he had like a little bit of issue, but he didn't have to go into a vet. Everything was taken care of at home.
Oh, dude, this was good.
먹을래?
아니?
안 먹을 거야 돼? 먹방 중인데 그만 먹는 거야?
No spoon?
Why do you need a spoon?
Soup? Okay. You should put couple down right now.
I don't want to play it like that.
Are you gonna do 하나 둘 셋 clap?
하나 둘 셋! 했잖아! Oh my god, you're drugs.
Lots of drugs. I'm on lots of drugs. What's that song that we're listening to? So I went to dentist because I had a toothache.
On my bottom teeth. And when I got to the dentist said it's 70% reason why you have the pain is because of your upper teeth. And he said it seems to have infection inside, so he takes the upper teeth out and sends me home.
I asked the doc, but doc, my bottom's hurting a lot. No, that's because you pull the teeth. Oh, okay. So I come home, my lower teeth is killing me. So I got prescribed stronger things. Now I feel good. I could eat anything. Oh!
Oh, it just like pushes down everything.
Really? Push it down for me, daddy.
진짜 싫어.
Yeah.
I remember getting this email. It was like somebody, they wanted to write an article or something. Basically about having a job. It's a little embarrassing, basically.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like something kind of like people are like still not like very familiar with. But
Oh,
like,
yeah.
they're kind of like a little bit like hesitant to tell them what you're doing. Which I agree. But when someone like wanted like ask me to like interview, I'm just like,
I'm proud of my job. So no, but I get it. But that was probably in the beginning where nobody even knew what that was. Like, so basically you eat and you make money.
oh my
That's,
god, you have no idea. Everybody.
yeah. You know how like my brother and even everyone was like, that's kind of stupid. Like,
I had a couple of friends actually where like, yeah, I told my boss about it, and they just like, yeah, they don't get it. I'm like, well, I never really asked them to get it.
get it?
Even like when I like started working at the office, I had like a week where like I had to eat with like all the coworkers. I was like obligated to eat with them to get to know each other. A few of them actually knew me. They were like telling other people like, yeah, she does like eating and ASMR, and then like people were kind of like in my face. They were like, yeah, I don't get it.
No,
They're
actually,
like,
I'm
yeah.
shocked at how many people knew ASMR these days. You know
It's
how
true.
when you first mentioned ASMR,
Yeah.
nobody knew
Yeah.
what that was.
Another like kind of goal, I guess. I feel like I created like more
Monster.
things on YouTube than just mukbang, but people only like label me as a mukbanger, and I feel like I'm more than that. So I want to like kind of prove to myself that like I could do more than. And part of me like I think I was kind of like hesitant to film mukbang again because I like talking. Sometimes I say too much. Either I edit it out and it becomes like my video becomes like not what I wanted. I was kind of scared that people would like judge me for like stuff that I honestly say.
Yeah, I don't know why are you afraid of that?
Because it's just
No matter what you do, you gotta get shitted on. I mean,
You think so?
I mean, dude, like you can't please everyone. All I have to deal with is angry people that.
Basically, you're getting paid for being a punch bag. But your job is, I heard, the one job that will never go away. Like I heard that, you know, like so many, like we can do everything over like robots and like, you know, some of the restaurants we go to, like robots bring our food.
Right.
You know what I mean?
But Karen cannot talk to robot, can they?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like any like service things, it just can never be replaced.
I mean, think about it. Like Karen's will be like, oh yeah, I didn't make a reservation, but I need to speak to manager. I'll get the
This is
space.
not a place where you have to like.
I'm just frustrated.
I know you are.
It's everyday thing.
You want to say something to your some of your customers?
Drop that. Do you know I spent like over 100? Well, the table next to you spent like 600. So stop.
It's not about money.
I almost spent $100
You could
on
spend. Let's say you own a restaurant, and then there's this like really shitty customer that spends like 1G easy.
you. Every time they come,
They're really, really assholes. There's
I will suck their balls dry. They're my masters.
But there's other customer. They're like so nice,
I rather want nice customer.
but they spend $5 max.
You need both, okay? I mean, customer service doesn't mean that like, oh, because you spent $5, I'm gonna treat you like a donkey. Business, I know you know nothing about working. All you do is piercing your own ear, man.
Oh yeah, do you guys like it? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. We just want to say Merry Christmas. I know it's been a tough year.
Whee!
Past 2 years it's been tough.
Sheesh.
We were hoping that COVID would be over by 2021, but it did not. Hopefully 2022 is the year for everybody to bloom and
Cash
just,
Money Entertainment.
Yes.
Cash
You
Money!
are so different. Like we're so different. I don't even know how we're together for so long.
I ask you this question all the time.
I don't know how it works. Either we're just lazy, can't find anybody. Just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays if you don't.
Happy
celebrate
holidays
Christmas.
and thank
Happy
you
New
so much,
Year.
guys.
We
Everybody
will.
be healthy.
Yeah, healthy, be safe, get your vaccines. I'll film mukbang here and there, so stay tuned. Watch a lot of our camping mukbangs too. It's very peaceful. But I will bring more contents. I will bring more, even like healthy meals too, because I like both. Thank you guys so much. Happy holidays. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys. Bye. I am Mad. Say hello to everybody. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.